Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading, creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at a bullish engulfing trade setup. A bullish engulfing trade setup is when price comes into a support level and then bounces off of this level. We are looking for price to go higher from here, so this is a bullish reversal signal for us. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a bullish engulfing candlestick trade setup looks like and how do we trade this profitably. Here we are looking at a bullish engulfing trade setup. This is pound yen 1 hour chart. A bullish engulfing trade setup is this nice big bullish candle, and we are looking for this at an important support and resistance level. So in this case, we see that price has come down, it comes into our support level here, and then it's not able to break lower. Instead, we get this bullish engulfing candle. The bullish engulfing candle is essentially, if we were to take this candle and place it on top of the previous candle, we'll see that we will not be able to see the previous candle. So that's essentially the bullish engulfing candle. So it's a really simple trade setup. Once we see this bullish engulfing candle close, we can go long on this one. And our stop would go on the other side of the support level. So here we're looking for price to go higher. So once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade as price moves higher. And then we see that price comes into our next support resistance level. And now price starts to pull back and we get this candle close here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade because now price could pull back more and even potentially reverse because we are into resistance. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 93 pips in our trade. So just to recap here, a bullish engulfing trade setup is a bullish reversal signal where we have a nice bullish candle close and we're looking for price to move higher. So once we get our bullish engulfing candle here, we enter the trade long. Our stop will go on the other side of this support resistance level and we stay with the trade as price moves higher. Once price comes into our resistance level, we see that for 2 hours, it has not gone anywhere. Now it's pulling back. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade after this candle closes because now price can reverse or retrace. So we exit the trade there. From entry to exit here, we get 93 pips in our trade. So our profit is 93 pips or $930 if trading one standard lot. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I have created a special price action cheat sheet for you. If you would like to get your hands on that, make sure you click the link below and I'll make sure I send it to you right away. So that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below.